Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use and configure OSB Studio, but before that, first roll in the intro. So guys, open your favorite web browser, like I am using Microsoft Edge, then search for OSB Studios here. Go to the first site and select your operating system like Windows, Mac or Linux. I am using Windows, so I am selecting Windows. Then click on download installer. The download will start soon. Like you see my internet speed, it is because of RDP. I have already made a video how you can get a free RDP. Now you have to click on open file or double click the this only, then click on next, then you can read this. After that, click on next. You can select the favorite space where you want to store the file. I am using default only. It will extract your file in some seconds. It's taking some time, so you can skip the video also. After complete extraction, it will open a thank you page on your web browser. You can cut it. I am showing you my speed of internet, because if you want to buy RDP like this, you can contact me on Telegram. I will mention my username in the description. So see the internet speed, how fast it is. You can see it is of 2.8 Gbps, 3 Gbps also. Download speed is up to 3 Gbps. You can buy such RDPs from us. They are very cheap. Then click on finish in the OSB Studio app. Then it will take some time. If you are using for streaming, you can select streaming, but I am using for only recording purposes. Then next, then finish. It will also take some time because of testing the environment for app. Yes, you can see my internet speed again. Then click on apply setting. Now go to the plus icon and search for display capture. Then right click on it. You can change the name also, but I am putting the same name. You can change this also, it will not change anything like I am showing you, but you have to change this according to your PC resolution. You can put it again automatic and then click on OK. It will show your PC screen. Then you can go to setting for configuration, then click on output. You have to select the different mode also. You can change settings. Then you have to click on advanced. Here you can see your recording file storage, where file is going to be saved. You can change this also, but I am not having a good reason to change it. All the settings must be same, or you can change accordingly. One more setting you have to change. You have to select the different audio type, because it is MP4 is mostly used in most of the device. Then click on apply and the settings will be applied to your PC. Then click on OK. From start streaming you can stream also, but I have not selected the streaming section. We have to select start recording. The recording has started. You can see the red dot below the icon. Now I will show you where the recording is saved. Go to file manager and put the copy address in the search bar and click on enter. Here you can see the recording has been saved. You can check it. I will stop the recording. It will save there. As you can see,